Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.
Good morning, this is your Weather Xtreme video for Saturday, April 20th, 2019. I'm meteorologist Scott Martin. We'll have a cool and cloudy morning to start with some stubborn showers that refuse to leave central Alabama, but those will eventually move out later today and we'll have an absolutely wonderful Easter Sunday in store for us. More on that in just a moment. Radar at 7:30 this morning shows some lingering shower activity, mainly over the central and east central parts of the area, stretching from Cordova and Summerton all the way down to Auburn and Opelika. This activity is moving to the southeast. A good bit of cloud cover is still over much of the area, but clearing has already occurred for the southwestern parts of the area. These clouds may be a little stubborn getting out of here today, but nearly all of central Alabama should be able to see the sunset later this evening. It's a very cool morning out there with 40s showing up across much of the area, with only a couple of 50s thrown into the mix. Birmingham was at 45 degrees, while Demopolis was up to 51 degrees. Coleman was the cold spot at 41 degrees. And we are all clear on the watch warning map across central Alabama this morning. Now let's dive into the models to see what is in store for us for the next 7 days. Here's the 06Z run of the GFS valid today at 1 p.m. We see that the cold core low is still just off toward north over the southeastern parts of Kentucky, leaving us with a chance of scattered showers continuing to wrap around into the northeastern quarter of the state. Those should be out of here by the early afternoon hours. Skies will be in a slow clearing process, but by sunset, much of central Alabama will have clear to mostly clear skies. Afternoon highs across the area will top out in the upper 50s to the upper 60s from northeast to southwest. Winds will be breezy at times out of the northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour, with gusts up to 30 miles per hour possible. It will be a totally different story for Easter Sunday. It will be a cold start for those attending sunrise services, with early morning lows starting off in the lower to mid-40s. There will be plenty of sunshine throughout the day and clear skies during the night. Afternoon highs will be back up in the mid to upper 70s, with overnight lows in the upper 40s to the lower 50s. Monday will be another brilliant day across central Alabama with plenty of sun and very little in the way of clouds. Afternoon highs return to the upper 70s to the lower 80s across the area. A disturbance starts to build well off to our west on Tuesday that will send some clouds in our direction that leaves us with a mix of sun and clouds. We'll continue to stay dry and highs will be in the upper 70s to the lower 80s. That disturbance slowly gets closer to the area on Wednesday, but will once again be dry with a mix of sun and clouds. Highs will be in the upper 70s to the mid-80s. On Thursday, a trough will be centered just off to our west over the eastern parts of Texas, close enough to have a chance of showers and thunderstorms invade central Alabama. At this point, it doesn't look to be a severe weather setup, but we'll keep an eye on it. Highs will be in the mid-70s to the lower 80s. On Friday, shower chances come to an end early in the day, leaving us with clearing skies during the afternoon and evening hours. Highs will be in the mid-70s to the lower 80s. And taking a brief look into Voodoo Land for next weekend, looks like there will be plenty of sunshine on both days as any rain will stay off to our north. The GFS is painting highs in the 70s and 80s with lows in the 50s. That is the Weather Xtreme video for today. We'll have notes on the blog throughout the day. The next video will be out tomorrow morning, produced by Bill Murray. I am meteorologist Scott Martin, signing off for today. Have a great day and happy Easter. See you next week.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.